Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to set up your database or your FiveM server using phpMyAdmin and XAMPP. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up XAMPP. We're going to make sure Apache and MySQL are both ticked and running. Then we're going to go ahead and click on the admin, and that's going to take us to the phpMyAdmin web GUI. Alright, so on the left you're going to see your database. It's going to look a little something like this. We're just going to go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to click on SQL at the top. Next we're going to navigate through our test server files. We're going to go into resources, we're going to go into QB, and then we're going to go through each resource and we're going to look for SQL files. They won't all have them, but the ones that do need to be added to the database for it to work. Now the first way we're going to do this, we're going to drag the SQL source file. And we're going to drop it here, and you're going to get this pop-up to show you that it was successful. This is probably going to be the first one you're adding, so if you've done it correctly you should see apartments. Now the second way we can do this, we're going to need the application Visual Studio Code. I'll leave the link in the description. We're going to need this later on for FiveM development anyway, so I strongly suggest you install this. Once you've got Visual Studio Code installed, you're just going to go ahead and double click on the SQL file, and it will open up the source code inside Visual Studio. Once we've done that, we just want to go ahead and copy all of the code. Then we're going to navigate to our databases SQL page like before. And we're just going to go ahead and paste that in here. Once that's done, hit go, and that should be done. Now I'm obviously getting this pop up because I've already got the apartments table installed into my database. But if it's the first one you're adding, of course it should just add the apartments table to your database. Guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I hope this has helped you. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Help us to keep making future content like this.